Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Who is the YouTuber? You? I? Or maybe my Christmas jumper with lights. Can you see them? Can't you? From now on, I am only concentrated or focused on European Portuguese. You are not only going to learn my native language, but also some techniques or tricks on how you can remember better some words, grammar structures, sentences, idioms, and so on. Basically, words. Okay, let's see these techniques. Let me show them to you. Hola, please repeat after me. Hola, hola. Now the trick. So the technique, build a puzzle in your brain, and the second technique that I am going to show to you today is memo technique. Bom dia. Bom means good. Dia means day, and bom dia, good morning. Right. Dia means day. Drop that D at the beginning and add a T. Tia. Tia. Now drop the D. What do you have? Ia. That means I was going or I was about to go. As you can see, you have just learned two direct words plus two indirect words plus the greeting. Bom dia. Bom means good. Dia means day. And if you play with the word dia, you have two extra words. Take the D off and add a T. Tia means aunt, and drop the D. Ia, which means in European Portuguese, I was going, or I was about to go. Now let me show you the memo technique rule to remember better the word bom. You already know the word bomb. Well, drop that B at the end of the word bomb. What do you have? Bomb. Or another word, boom. Boom. Drop one O. You remove the O. What do you have? Bone. I don't know if we are on the same page, but with these two techniques you can remember better words, and your goal is stick them into your thick brain and recall or retrieve them in the long-term memory. Let's see another example. Boa tarde. Boa. You already know this word. I know it's a false cognate or a false friend. Boa means in European Portuguese good in the female version. Boa. And tarde means afternoon. Tarde. How can you remember better this word, tarde? Think of the word retard. Drop the R and the E at the beginning of the word retard. What you have? Tard. And add the letter E at the end. Tarde. Boa tarde. Can you see the whole picture? Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, boa noite. Noite means night, but a nuance here. Boa noite means good evening, and we use this word when it's dark. So we don't usually use this word when we go to bed. We use another word instead. So we say see you tomorrow. Até amanhã. Até amanhã. Amanhã means morning. E até means until. Right. How do you say see you a bit? Até já. Or see you in a minute. Até já. Até until. Já means already, yet, altogether. Até já. Até já, which means see you in a minute. You see, até means until, and this word repeats até já, até amanhã. Até logo means see you soon. Até logo. How can you remember the word logo better? If you think of the word logic, you drop the EC, log, and you put or you add the letter O, logo. Até logo. The last word. Adeus. Adeus. Adeus means goodbye. Adeus. Okay. A is letter A, and Deus means God. A plus God, Adeus, which means goodbye. How do you say see you until the next time? Até a próxima. Até a próxima. Até means until. Até a is just a word, a preposition. Próxima means next.